Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here and we're gonna do a look. So I'm gonna use this palette. I actually never saw this palette on Glamlite's website before, but it is the cherry palette. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so in my opening, I talk about this palette. I only paid $10 for this from Marshall's, and it still looks brand new, and it looks like so. So I don't know. I'm thinking I'm gonna dabble in the shades a little bit.
And just a hint of lust.
I'm gonna go into sweets, and we're gonna put that in the outer V, like right here. Like this, like perfect for Valentine's, perfect. Oh, and this is a Y11 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. Glamlite shadows blend so well too. And then so I'm only really blending the edges. Just the edges, so just stamp here. And then just the edges, just blend it. Like so. Now, and that shade was sweet. I think I'm gonna go in with Wild Cherry. This is a L18 from L'Oreal Los Angeles, and then we're just gonna go ahead and take this shade and put it right here. This shade is pretty. This has a lot of fallout though. Fallout doesn't bother me. I'm just being transparent and letting you guys know there is fallout, but I am perfectly fine with that. In my book, does the shadow work? Yeah? Okay. I'm Gucci then. Now I'm gonna go back to that shade and then just kind of blend everything together so it looks nice. Like so. Ooh, this is cute. Now I do want a lighter shade. Sorry, to just kind of blend everything together. This doesn't have any product on it, nothing. So I'm gonna just use this and just blend this. And then clean it up. And I'm gonna do the same thing in my inner corner. Like right here, just blend this. Perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I know eyes are bright, but you know, kind of Valentine's Day situation. So now let's talk about Miss Elcíe. So let's go in with Miss Elcíe. Does she have a pump? Yes, she does have a pump, which is amazing. The component feels good, but it's a little bit liquidy, looks like so. Oh, that might be a good shade. Maybe this is my shade. Yeah, this looks good. Let us see what we're gonna do for concealer. So really, let's start shape it. Let's start shape it. I'm gonna use 10 for like right here. Man, I have some skin tags on my eyelid and it's annoying. Cause where it is, it's like right where I want to do like my wing. I need to get in touch with a dermatologist to have those because I don't like it. It's annoying. I also want to do like a little Botox here, but my husband is like, no.
No, but... Oh, is that what you want?
Yup.
Because that's how you get air.
Your face is fine. But he doesn't understand. Like, I don't want to get too much into start fixing stuff because that's how it starts. You fix one thing and then you're like, oh, this is wrong. Let's fix this. Let's fix this. Which I'm pretty sure that's like maybe where he's coming from. He also likes me or loves me for like, for who I am and what I look like. So he doesn't care. But I do. And I'm using my Mario bronzer stick. I feel like, is this done? And this is my Ruce 334 brush, the L334. Just, you know, chiseling the face a little bit too much, but I can still see like the glow of that foundation under my skin. This is finishing, but I'm gonna use a brush and use every single bit of it. And nobody had time for that. And let's go ahead with my 733 brush from Luxie and blend this concealer. Okay. No, I can't find it. But it's a good thing I have a ton of these little situations. First, I'm gonna use my #1 powder from Tilbury, and you're just gonna set it. And now I'm gonna, well, now that I threw half of it away, and this powder is not cheap. This is from Haus, you know, Lady Gaga's line. It's a good thing this is not one of them that I cut up, because I would have cried. Some of it fell, but not a lot. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my HudaBeauty powder. Nope, wrong brush. What shade is this? Kunafa? If it was like this, which I cut off, it was a terrible idea. Don't ever do that, because I just dropped this Haus powder, and if it was this powder, like it would literally be like everywhere. Some of it fell, but not a lot. But this wasn't coming out fast enough for me, so I was like, okay, so I'm gonna leave this heavy under my eye, because when I was doing my eye, oops, like a lot of this fell, so I had a lot of fallout on my shadow. So let's just leave a little bit heavier under the eye. Just a little bit. just a little bit. I think I need some new bases. I have some, but the ones that I use all the time, they're pretty much like done. This brush 710 short shader, and we're gonna go under that deep shade that I have in my inner corners and put it right here. And now we're gonna go into Wild Cherry and just put a little bit like right here. Like so. What is my husband is like being sneaky. Okay, now let me see if I can take dust, all this stuff off. What is this shade called? I think it's Goldmine. Yep. I don't know what to put in my inner corner. Actually, let's put this shade right here. This shade right here is called Colorful Tongue. Let's put that in the inner corners. These brushes are so expensive, like, and then nothing special about them. I mean, are they good brushes? Yes. Can you find other brushes that does the same thing? Absolutely. So no need to go spend all this money on this brush. I mean, if you have the money to spend it, go right ahead. I just don't see the need for it, because you can get tons of brushes that's so much cheaper that does the absolute same thing. You know, my bronzer, I have a bronzer downstairs. I need to find it from Charlotte Tilbury, which I love, but I know it's downstairs. I need to bring it up. This is from Iconic London, and then it is warm bronze. So let's just go. This doesn't really give me any kind of real definition, and this is on a Ruce L360 or is it LR360? So this is just warming up my face. I'll go in and actually, you know, do some form of like contouring. I do need something darker. Is this dark enough? This is from Marc Jacobs. I think this is dark enough. Oh, this is a L13 from Lee Los Angeles. I don't even know like what is this brush made for, but to be honest, I'll be using my brushes for whatever I feel like it. If it works, it works. I actually like blush brushes for bronzer because it works. If it works, it works. Let's use this. This is for Makeup Forever. I keep saying Makeup by Makeup Forever. Where's my mirror? Girl, come back here. I need a cute mirror. Me and all these shapes. Oh la la. Let's use one size. I used one size the other day and oof, it is bright, but I feel like it's gonna go with that inner part of my eye. But we just have to be like not so crazy with it. And we're gonna use, this is like broken, it is Flexitarian, I think, and that's from Colourpop. Whew. But it still like works. And I'm just gonna give a little swoosh right here. That's it. So this is from ABH, and what shade is this? I think this is Seraphine. And then I'm gonna use this Fenty shade. Which one is this? Uncensored. These writings, you can barely see it at the bottom. So that's it, guys, for this, you know, nice reddish look. I'm always gonna go hang out with my baby, and when I go hang out with my baby, I'm gonna slay. So that's it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.